Robinhood Crypto has made quite a splash in the cryptocurrency world, but does it live up to the hype? With its sleek interface and promise of commission-free trading, is it really worth your time and money? Let's dive in and find out. Robinhood Crypto is designed to make trading cryptocurrencies accessible to everyone, especially beginners. The platform allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies without any commission fees, which is a big draw for many. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate, even for those who might be new to crypto trading. However, while the app is user-friendly, it does lack some advanced features that seasoned traders might expect. For example, there are limited tools for charting and analysis, which can be a downside if you're looking to make informed trading decisions. Additionally, the selection of cryptocurrencies is somewhat limited compared to other platforms, which may restrict users looking for a broader range of options. One thing that stands out is the integration with the Robinhood stock trading app, allowing users to manage both stocks and crypto in one place. But there are concerns about the platform's security and transparency, especially given the regulatory scrutiny surrounding Robinhood. When it comes to pros, Robinhood Crypto's commission-free trading is a significant advantage, making it an appealing option for casual traders. The app's simplicity and ease of use are also big pluses for new investors. On the flip side, the cons are hard to ignore. The limited selection of cryptocurrencies and lack of advanced trading tools may frustrate experienced traders. Additionally, there have been ongoing concerns about the platform's security measures and how it handles user data, which could be a deal breaker for some. For those who are just dipping their toes into cryptocurrency, Robinhood might be a good starting point, but serious investors might find themselves wanting more features and better support elsewhere. In conclusion, Robinhood Crypto could be worth considering if you're a beginner looking for a straightforward way to trade cryptocurrencies. However, if you're an experienced trader or looking for a more extensive range of options, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, while it has its merits, trust and security concerns remain a significant factor to consider.